Guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video we are going to see how to renew a fertilizer insecticide manufacturing license in Assam. The link can highlighting right now is provided below the description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directed go to this page. So now you have to click on the register button. If you are a new user, please click on the register button. Now you have to enter all the details: full name, email ID, mobile number, password, select the state along with the captcha code, and then click on the submit button. Now go back to the login section. In login section, you have to enter your login ID, password along with the captcha code, and then click on the login button. So after login, you can click on the view all available services option under the apply for service section. On the second page, you can find the application for renewal of pest control operation license. Now you have to download the declaration form, then upload the file, fill the form in the upcoming attached enclosure section. Now click on the proceed to apply tab. Now complete all the section with valid details, then select the applicable option from the drop down list. Then you can click on the checkbox against the I agree. Then enter the verification text in the text box and then click on the submit button. Now application will be proceeded by the respective department. Then you will get the update of the application status in your registered mobile number through SMS. Then we shall use the application number ID to track the application through online portal. Please follow the page one to acquire the license as notified. Then we will get the notification after the issue of the renewal license on its dashboard and you can download the same. Then there are the required documents of detailed information and in office and location section provided by the departments and contact details that need to be approached for this process. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us so we will get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.